got the ticket. You got a home with me.
Okay, here we got a 2003 SSR. This one's a friend of mine's, and I went with him to pick it up. We drove about 200 miles in either direction, so 400 miles round trip for this car. But it's absolutely stunning condition for a 2003. This one's got the 5.3 motor in it. He did have it ceramic coated just after he bought it, but it's got the pinstriping on it, which is kind of unique, to be honest. It makes it stand out really well. So yeah, really nice car. So we're going to get a demonstration of how the top works. So here we go. It's pretty neat the way the top, kind of like a Transformers car. So here we go. I don't see many of these, to be honest. I can't say that I've seen one in a car show, I'll be honest. So there we go. Very cleverly done, the way everything works. So that's the top up. Now a demonstration of the top down. Really neat the way that it works. And we're going to show you the bed of it now, the way the bed is. So the top lifts up on the bed, the tailgate comes down, so, and then it's a truck. So really neat.
I didn't bring it. Do you have a...
Yes. It's got a lot of nice touches to this car. I like the paint, the way they've done the paint inside and everything. This is a neat car to own. Plus modern day running essentials and a great motor in this car. The 5.3 is kind of bulletproof motor. So really nice car all around, great shape too. Got a really good buy on this car. So there we have it, 2003 Chevrolet SSR.
That movie Transformer, this is where they got the idea from.